Welcome to Saad Educare. Today's topic, Venn diagram. Look at this Venn diagram. Here is a two circle. One is odd, another one is less than 40, and here is some number. Our first question, write a list of the odd numbers. So first 15 is an odd number, then 25, then 57. Once we write and also make tick, 15, 25, 57, then 1953, 1953, then 35, 43, 51, and 7993. So if anybody asks you what is odd number is that kinds of number which we cannot divide by 2, right? So these number are odd. Our first question answer done. Second, write a list of the numbers that are less than 40. So we have to find out that kinds of number which is less than 40. So look, again we start from beginning. 15 is a less than 40, 15, 18. So here we will consider 18 because here is not mentioned odd, here is mentioned less than 40. So we can use 15, 18, then 25. 57 we cannot use because 57 is greater than 40, right? Then 19, 4, 16, 35, 4, 16, 35. Then 43 we cannot use, 51 also not, 79 not, 93 not. So here is only 15, 18, 25, 19, 4, 16 and 35. So the question 2 done. Second question we already finished and I hope you cleared this one. Third question, write a list of the numbers that would go in the middle of the Venn diagram. So now we will find out the main thing, middle of the number. What does mean middle of the number? First of all, that kinds of number which is less than 40 and also odd. Okay, so we already find out the number which is odd, 15, 25, 57 like this, and this middle number should odd because this circle, this part all are odd number, right? All are odd number, but here is a one condition, which is in middle portion that number, which is odd and also less than what? 40. So in this case we can write like this, 15 is an odd number and also less than 40. So we can use 15, also 25, but 57 we cannot use because this is more than 40. 19 we can use, 35 also, and that's enough, right? Okay, number 3 also done. Now write your numbers in the Venn diagram above. Okay, so now we will write. So this one at this moment no need because we will write now. So first we can write in middle portion, which is 15, then 25, then 19, then 35, which is less than 40 and also odd number. Now odd number, so already we write 15, 25, then 19 and then 35. So balance one, 57 is more than 40 and odd number, so we can write in here, right? 57. Then what? 57 done. Then 53. 53 also more than 40 and odd number. Then 43. Here is also 43. 51. 51. 79. 79. Then 93. Okay, and now look here, some numbers till we are not used, like 18. 18 is not a odd number, it's a what? It's a less than 40, so it should be in here 18. Then also we can check now. 15 we already write, it's in middle. 18, here is 18. 25 middle. 57 left side. 19 middle. 53 left side. 4 we can write in here 4. 4 is not a odd number. Also 16, right? Then 35 we already wrote in middle. 43. 43 is an odd number and which is more than 40, so you already write. 51 already write. 79 already write. 93 already write. So here is only 18, 4 and 16. So I hope you cleared this one. Once you are solving these kinds of Venn diagram step by step, you have good chance to get 100% marks, right? So no more today. Next video or this week we will discuss about Venn diagram more deeply. So next video we will see another types of Venn diagram which is red and more than 4 sides. This video we are discussing about less than 40 and that video we will discuss more than 4 sides. So till then, take care, keep practice at home, and this is very important for our life. So no more today. Please subscribe my channel.